Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered one of the best laptop locks on the market, the Kensington N17 Dell laptop computer lock. A combination security locking cable designed specifically for Dell laptops and Alienware devices that feature the wedge-shaped lock slot. If you're someone who values the security of your laptop, especially when working in public spaces or shared environments, this lock offers a robust solution. Unlike traditional locks, the Kensington N17 is designed to fit seamlessly into the wedge-shaped lock slot found on many Dell laptops, ensuring a secure and reliable connection. It's important to note, however, that not all Dell models have this specific wedge slot, so you'll want to double-check your laptop's compatibility before purchasing. What sets this lock apart is its innovative push-button design that allows for easy one-handed engagement, making it simple to attach and secure your device quickly. The lock uses a resettable 4-wheel number code, offering 10,000 possible combinations, so you can set a unique code that suits your security needs without the hassle of managing keys. The cable itself is made of carbon steel, measuring 6 feet long with a diameter of 0.2 inches. This material choice isn't accidental, it is cut-resistant, providing strong deterrence against theft attempts. You can anchor the cable to a desk, table, or any fixed structure, securing your laptop in place. Kensington has backed this product with independent testing for industry-leading standards. This includes resistance to torque and pull forces, durability against foreign implements trying to tamper with the lock, a long lock lifecycle, corrosion resistance, and key strength. This rigorous testing ensures the lock performs reliably under various conditions, adding peace of mind to your investment. The compact size of the lock head, at just 1.7 inches in length, 0.4 inches in height, and 1.25 inches in width, means it's not bulky or cumbersome. It's designed to provide strong security without compromising the portability of your laptop setup. Another great advantage is that this lock comes with a 5-year warranty and lifetime technical support. This shows Kensington's confidence in their product's quality and durability, giving you extra assurance after your purchase. The lock is also lightweight, weighing just over 5 ounces, so it's easy to carry around without adding unnecessary weight to your laptop bag. If you want to see how the lock works in real life, Kensington provides demonstration videos highlighting the ease of use and security features. The lock is a result of Kensington's 25 years of experience in physical device security, making it a trusted option for many users worldwide. In conclusion, the Kensington N17 Dell laptop lock combines innovative design, reliable security features, and durability in a compact package. If your Dell or Alienware laptop supports the wedge-shaped lock slot, this is an excellent choice to keep your device safe from theft, whether at the office, cafe, or library. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there. Stay secure and see you next time.